Welcome to Indian Sewing Machine, supplier and service provider of sewing machines. The company was established in 2010 at Bengaluru. International quality standards and strict quality control measures help us to achieve a present repute in the market. Supreme quality products, flexible payment options, and expedite delivery schedules are the plus points of our organization. Button holding, chain, and lock stitch machines are some of our products and services. Button and industrial sewing machines offered by us are available at industry-leading prices. We are engaged in offering supreme quality overlock and cylinder sewing machines that are highly efficient. Our automatic and flatbed sewing machines are superior in performance. Computerized sewing and embroidery machines are some of our best-selling products. Our organization is highly involved in providing an impeccable range of bar tracking machines and sewing machine services. To get the best deal in the vertical, log on at www.indiansewingmachine.in.